Hi, I'm Nilu.
And I'm Sarah.
Want to do Las Vegas the TNL way? Try mixing these high roller spots with a couple of hidden finds off the strip.
Here's how we spend our ultimate day in Vegas.
Our perfect day starts with an unlikely breakfast, a slice of Neapolitan pizza at Sette Bello Pizzeria in Green Valley. The pizzaiolo here makes his pies the authentic Italian way, with Mulino Caputo flour for a chewy, slightly sour crust.
Just north of Fremont Street, the new Neon Museum opens this fall. Bring your camera. A shot in front of the former Moulin Rouge sign would make for a great profile picture, don't you think?
I do. That's a good idea. One of the newest hotspots on the Strip is the Cosmopolitan, where two of our favorite chefs, Jose Andres and Scott Conant, have popular restaurants. Love the soaking tubs in the oversized guest rooms and the hammam in the spa.
For the big finale, it has to be dinner at Joël Robuchon at the MGM Grand. In true Vegas style, you'll get picked up by a limo and delivered straight to the private entrance of the 75-seat dining room. 16 courses. This is a dinner you'll never forget.
Thanks for watching.
Have a blast.